Hi everyone, this is Sarah Moon. We are now back to talking about our customizing Canvas and adding course content. And this video is all going to be about images and links. Okay, so we're going to be talking about how we can add images and how we can link text and images to further access to instructional content. All right, so I'm at the page that I want to go ahead and play with. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Edit. And you can see that's stuff that we were playing with our text and tables. And now, just like I said, this one's going to be all about images and links. I'm going to go ahead and make sure that that is nice and big so that way we remember that that is what it's about. Okay, so let's start with images, okay? Let's say I want to insert an image, okay? So I'm going to click on this little picture right here and I'm going to click Upload Image. Once I click to Upload Image, I'm going to see this giant rocket ship. You can go ahead and click on the rocket ship, and that's where you'll find the image, okay? So theoretically, or not theoretically, the image needs to already be saved to your computer, okay? And so then you just click whichever one you have. Let's say that I want to use my 5th grade sticker. I'm going to go ahead and click Open to it. Now, these are images that you could have made. This could have been an image that you drew and took a picture of and then sent to yourself. This could be an image that you just download from the internet. Any kind of image. I'm going to go ahead and move my face and we're going to go ahead and click Submit. Okay, now you can see it opened it up huge, okay? And so what we want to do is we want to click on the image and then that gets us these little blue boxes and that's what I can use to drag in to make it whatever size I want it to be, okay? You can also add an image into a table. So let's go back to our table that we did from before. I'm clicking in the cell that I want it to be at. I'm going to go ahead and click on that picture again, upload image, and let's say I want to go ahead and upload, I'm going to go down to my pictures, our zones. And so I'm going to go ahead and click on our zones picture that I had already saved, click on submit. And again, there is my zones picture, and I might want to just make it just a little bit smaller. Okay, so we've done images, right? And so now let's talk about links, okay? And so there's two ways that we can do links. We can link to outside content, and we can link to content within our course, okay? So let's say I want to link, okay, this image. We're going to start with linking an image to, let's say, a check-in, okay? And so I'm going to pretend that I have a check-in because I don't have a check-in right now for this, but I'm going to click on the image. I'm going to come up here to the little link, and I'm going to click on external link because I want it to go to something that is not within Canvas, okay? Yes, you can do Control-K for that as well, okay? And then this is where you're going to go ahead and link it. Let's say that this was a check-in that I had. This is just a random Google Docs one, but I'm going to insert that link, click done, and watch closely. It's going to flash red. There you go, it flashed like that red, yellow. That means that it linked, okay? The cool thing about that is when, I'm going to go ahead and click save. If you are a student or even you as you're going in, when you click on that image, it takes you to what I just had. And so this one was a copy for a digital note catcher that I did for some PD earlier. So again, it links them right to it. You can see also it opened in a new window, so that way they still have Canvas to get back to. Let's also, I'm going to go ahead and click on edit again. You can also link to within Canvas, okay? So let's say I'm going to link some text, and this is the stuff for Monday, September 13th, okay? And I want this, when my kiddos click on it, to go to the lesson for that day, okay? I'm going to highlight that. When I go up to this link, I'm going to click course links, and you'll see that it opens up, moving myself again, everything that I have within here, okay? And so let's say I wanted it to be, I want it to go, let's say we're doing the Module 1 transfer assignment on Monday, September 13th. All I'm doing is I'm finding that you can also search it within here if you don't want to just scroll, okay? I know that it's right here. And then all I need to do is just click on it. I want it to go to the Module 1 transfer assignment. I click it. You'll see it kind of flashes that yellow red. That means that it is linked to it. So again, when we click save and kiddos are utilizing this for access, all they have to do is just click on that, and that will take them directly to where it is, okay? This is also with the links how you create those buttons that we talked about earlier. those images that you have linked, you just link wherever you want them to go, and that becomes your button. All right, friends, I hope this is helpful. As always, let me know how I can support and assist, and have fun exploring the other ways that you can customize your course content.